In this video, I'll be going over Enhancement 5. We can see that the nav bar is still working on all of these pages after we've included the extra function. And we can also see that the HTML is still valid here, as well as it should be here. Yep, still valid. We can also see that if we try to register a blank thing, it will say fill out this form, and if we do the no validate and try again, we will get a warning here, but we can put it in here and we will still get it up here. Now we will go to the new product page, and if we try to register, we'll get that warning, and if we turn on the no validate, try again, we'll get the warning, but everything else stayed where it was.